Hi everyone, it's Sarah again for your second Home Heart art activity for December. We are making some Christmas decorations. So this time I'm going to show you how to make a really simple Christmas bauble for on the tree or hanging around, wherever you want really. So here it is. It's our little Christmas bauble, and these can be made any size. So this is a really small one, but you can make some really big ones depending on how big your paper is that you use. So for this we need some paper. Actually, some card is best for this. So if you have some paper that's a bit thin, what you can do is fold it over and glue it together so it's a bit thicker. I'm going to use this colourful card in Christmassy colours. I've got red and green. So the first thing I need to do is to cut some strips of paper, which are like these ones here. And depending on how large these strips are, will define the size of the Christmas bauble that you're making. So I'm going to make one from this paper. So I am going to cut some strips up like this. And it doesn't have to be really straight or precise like that. Okay, so I've cut a few of these already down here and I'm going to show you what to do. So I need the paper. I also need some glue and or a stapler. Both of these work well, and I'll show you both. You also need a piece of wool or string or ribbon to attach to the top to hang it. So I am going to start with 2 strips of paper. And what I'm going to do is just stick them overlapping a little bit together like that. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue on and stick those together like that. Okay. Next, I'm going to take another 2 and I'm going to stick them to form a cross. So that one goes there and that one goes there, and they're all overlapping in the middle here. So I'll put another piece of glue, stick that one down there and stick the other one on top like that. Perfect. And now I'm going to do the same thing again but diagonally. So that one goes there and that one goes there, and then also one goes here and one goes here. So you end up with a star shape of these all stuck together but sticking out the way. So let me just do that. So glue on the end here, stick that in there. And you'll see that I am matching the colours across the way, but you don't have to do that at all. That is completely up to you and your whatever design it is that you're making. There. So at the moment I have got these and I just need the one out here. So I don't have another red one cut, so I'm just going to stick another colour in there because it really doesn't matter. So there, that is the first stage there. So I've done it with glue, but what you can do is if you want to secure it really well, you can put a staple through the middle now. There we go. And now, so to make the bauble shape, we're going to take our opposites again up the way. So if I start with these 2 red ones that are opposite each other, I'm going to put a bit of glue and stick them. And we're going to do that again with each of those little star prongs. Okay, so I've stuck those 2 and that's the first one. And now everything with its opposite can come up and get stuck to the top point to gather them all up into the bauble shape. I've got 2 more to stick now. There. And there. There we go, and there we have our bauble here. Again, if you want to secure it at the top, you can get your stapler in between those bits and give it a little click, and you can give it a squash to make it more round. And the only thing that's missing now is a little string. So I've got a little piece of raffia here, and you could either tie it straight through, or you could staple it on like I'm going to do just now. So I'm just going to lay it down on top and get my stapler and secure that like that. And there we have it. It's ready for on the tree or wherever you want it to go. Great. I hope that was nice and simple. That's one of the most simpler ones, I think. So have fun with that, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.